Hi everyone and welcome to the Grap Coin YouTube channel. This is another link update video. It seems to be immobile and immobilized. Right now a lot of coins are stationary. I had to make sure my screen wasn't frozen, but the chart isn't moving at all. Let's all get out and give Disco a good push like I mentioned earlier today. We are in the same situation as before, hence nothing unusual. We are still dealing with a 5-wave pattern to the upward on this chart. Thus, let's examine this 5-wave rise up in an impulse to the upside right now. This peaked in March, or rather into March. June of last year was obviously when this rally started, with wave 1 topping the wave to bring back the third wave, often an Elliott wave, the longest wave in a cycle, and then this obvious decline. To be honest though, this retreat seems to be unfinished, a little latent. Let me enlarge a little. These days the white count recognizes this retreat as an ABC structure. I think this C wave might need one more loan. Seems to be unfinished. Waves 1 and 2 are clearly in wave C, as is wave 3, and wave 4 is a little more ambiguous because it can take many various forms. A wave down, B wave rally, C wave down, that C wave ought to get one more low the way it appears. This C wave might be developing as an ending diagonal. I'm thinking of it as such. Additionally, having an ABC structure, the fifth wave is rather likely to be. This just implies that the downward trend should follow the white pattern as long as we maintain or approach the previous high of $152. It is not predictive. It also suggests that should it drop between 1068 to 892, which is our target range, the next low might be the last. Though, until I see more upside, I am not assuming that everything will go exactly as planned. After all, we might already have touched the bottom. Still, this might be a bigger B-wave climb if we surpass the prior high of $15.20 zero. Still, the bulls have one last chance, so you could counter that, perhaps this. There I was, single, might have been two of them, though this would need verification. It's possible that the 3, 4, and 5 I've designated as C are actually those three. It does not look ideal to conclude the correction with such a sideways confusion, hence this structure needs to be confirmed because both the pullback and the fall seem to be incomplete. Though nothing is ruled out, remember that if this 5-wave upward, perhaps in 5 waves, and we first surpass the 1520 level, please remember meanwhile that one more high may fail at any time. For instance, if we see one more high, it might collapse in this yellow ABC structure in yellow wave B or after 3 waves. We shall thus wait to see if it can break out to the upside. It's unclear whether we'll initiate the reversal from here yet, but we desire one. Expecting some upward momentum while we wait for Bitcoin to move, the $12.40 zero will surely be important. Furthermore, evident for 5 waves is the yellow support region from which we anticipate the reversal. Well, it's defined now. The orange and yellow totals would be void if this level were breached. This would obviously tip the odds in favor of the white scenario, according to which 1068 or 892 might be the site of another low. I updated the link with that. Should you think this update interesting, kindly hit the like button. I appreciate you viewing. Do subscribe and comment.